يا صباح الخير. قاعدة الحين اتمشى ب شو اسمه بوليس نيبرهود. عندها هنا اليوم آخر يوم لها بأمريكا، يعني آخر يوم أقدر أشوفها لمدة 6 شهور. فيا ما عاد بشوف كلوي for 6 months guys. so اليوم آخر يوم نطلع فيه، وحبيت أخذها أعشيها، أغديها وأعشيها، وبعد جبت لها هدية. وأيوة مرة بشتاق لها، مرة بشتاق لها. طبعا صوتي كذا غريب لأني شوية مريضة، يعني I'm not contagious، ما أعدي الناس بالصوتي. yeah I'm doing good other than that. I think I did pretty well with the fit guys. بس أيوة أنا الحين ببيتها أبكي، مرة بشتاق لها. it's so sad. 6 شهور يا جماعة، 6 شهور بدون صديقتي المقربة. it's okay. يمكن أزورها، هي رايحة إيطاليا فيمكن أزورها بإيطاليا. it'll be so fun. وش أسوي؟ Hello.
What's that?
What is that noise?
Oh, it's a school bell.
Hello.
Hello.
May I come in?
Yes. You look cute.
Thank you. You too. Do you know something?
Did you cut your hair?
No.
You're wearing jeans up here?
No.
You're wearing the same shoes as
It's
me?
my face.
No. You did your eyebrows? What? What about your nose? You didn't do anything to
Is
your
it not
nose.
noticeable
No, what?
that I took it off?
Oh, your nose piercing.
Yeah.
You don't have it on all the time, do you?
No, I do. It's my. Hey guys, I'm with Chloe, and we're at Saalanaa Beach right now. Yes. Where are we going? Tell them.
We're going to see bunnies.
We're going to see bunnies
a little bit, and it's gonna be really cute.
Yes. I'm taking her out. This is my date today.
Yeah, this is my man.
So we're going to this cafe that has really good food, and they have pet bunnies in there that you could see, and you could pet too. Is that them? Oh my god!
There's a lot inside. They're so cute.
I know. And guys, look at Chloe. She's so cute. That's literally so funny. So cute. Oh, I love it.
They have two locations. They have this one, and then they have the inside one over there.
Okay. This is so cute, and it's near the beach too. Oh my god, look at that one. So cute. Bunny. That one is so cute. Look at it. Oh,
Just nibbling.
I know. I want a bunny so bad. Sophia has one.
They're super stinky.
Sophia has a bunny.
Really?
Yeah.
They're really cute.
I know. I wish I had one too. How many times have you been here before?
This is like my 4th time here. I come here a lot just because it's close by. So
Can we get that picture?
yeah.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. So good. Okay, go first.
So I'm wearing a denim skirt and cowboy boots.
We're matching in a way.
And a fish and a little cardigan moment.
This is what I'm wearing.
Oh.
I'm wearing this jeans. And
cute jewelry.
From Chloe.
Also same jewelry. I'm the vlogger now.
Yeah, guys, she's trying to vlog right now. Support Chloe, okay? She's trying to vlog.
I'm trying to get on that vlog game.
You're so cute. Okay, this is super cute. Chloe, stay there. Pose. Pose, girl, pose. Okay, this is the other one. Let's go. Let's go. So they have another location where you could go inside and order food and eat while watching bunnies. And Chloe says the food is good, so we'll see. Oh, this is cute. It's pretty cute. Oh my god.
Yeah. I'll run it over. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey guys. Oh my god, the lighting is so good.
The lighting's so good.
The lighting's eating. Chloe's doing her TikToks right now.
Ooh, you look good. Oh my
Right?
god.
Yes, you do. So we got matcha. We both got matcha. I got lavender matcha. And then you got what? The rose?
Rose matcha.
Mhm.
It's really good.
So good. And this is our view, guys. This is our view. Very beautiful.
I was ready to be back. I thought I was.
Pretty. Pretty. So yeah, I might be doing a TikTok too in a bit because this lighting can't be missed. Anyways, guys, so cute. Outfit is kind of eating like.
Kinda. Just kinda.
I know, did well. Guys, did you know I wore this same exact shirt when I first saw Chloe this year? And I'm wearing it for the last time I'm gonna see her too. Do you wanna try it?
I'll try it, yeah. I accidentally got it thinking it was mine.
It's a little like bitter.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That lavender is
Wait,
really
come
strong.
closer to me.
You know that whole Stranger Things theory that I was talking to you about? I think it's true. I think they just announced that they're having like another episode, and I'm really excited.
Really?
Yeah.
So how do people predict that? Wait, we have
Because
to
people are
screenshots.
smart.
We have to take screenshots for this. I wanna post it.
The filter. I'm like,
Is it really bad?
no.
Hold on. Okay. Yay!
Oh. Cute.
Wait.
Make the heart. Oh, there we go.
Yay! I'm gonna post this as behind the scenes. Is that gonna be awkwardness?
Is this awkward? Is it awkward? Oh my gosh, Benihana's gonna be so fun. My brother just called
I know, I'm
me.
excited. I never tried it. Can you explain it to them?
Huh?
Can you explain it to?
What? Oh, Benihana. So Benihana is, we're gonna go to Benihana, and it's basically this Japanese restaurant, but they cook in front of you. So like there's like a big grill, and then instead of you cooking for yourself like a hot pot, there's like a chef, and he does like
And
fire
they like make
tricks
eye
and
contact
stuff.
and they go. Right or no?
No, I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
I've never.
You're gonna get cringed out again.
I'm already cringing. I can't look at videos of myself. I actually just die. It burns in my memory, and I'm like, why do I exist?
Girl,
why am I alive?
Only if you saw the older videos of me.
Really?
Only if you.
I used to have a YouTube channel. It was really bad when I was like 13.
Oh, that's fun. That's fun.
I'll show you.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Do you want to see a really good view?
Yeah.
Really good view.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Follow me. Follow you. Let's follow the train. You look so good.
Oh, me?
Yeah, wait, can you do me?
Oh, yeah. I can't do that, but I'll try. Aw, say hi. Aw. Wait, I want you with the beach. Aw, so cute. Aw. Wait. Aw. Yay.
It's so pretty.
I know.
Okay,
Follow me.
Oh. So pretty. Guys, did you know that this is my first time going out in the morning since like 2 or 3 weeks? I am so not joking. I'm so deadass. Because with all my other friends, like, they all prefer hanging out at night.
I hate the night. I hate nighttime.
Chloe's the only one. She's
like,
literally the only
opposite.
friend that motivates me to wake up in the morning.
I hate nighttime. I hate it. I get depressed and weird.
No, I do too, actually.
No, you saw me. It was night, and I was like, I can't do it. I genuinely turned into an alien.
No, me too. No, I get really depressed too. But at the same time, I'm a night person. Like, I know it. I know I'm like
such a day person.
90% a night person. Because, like, I'm a night owl. Like, I'm used to sleeping at least like 3 a.m. It's so bad. Let's not tell them the actual time I sleep at. Okay, these days I'm sleeping at literally 6 a.m. guys. 6 freaking a.m. So I sleep in the morning and then I wake up at night. And it's a cycle. Yeah, it's so pretty. We're at Saalanaa Beach right now. Oh my god, also, I haven't been to the beach since, like, I'm not lying, like 2 months. Like, last time I went to the beach. What?
I got the
What? What happened to me? What? What, did he do something? Is it the guy in the truck? What did he do? Tell me. Wait, just say it.
I was looking at the check, and the guy was like,
You scared me. I thought he was being like a creep.
no.
He was shocked by that beauty queen. He was like, oh my god.
He was like,
As he was driving and just drove while he was looking at you. No, yeah, that's so funny. I think bro, that caught you off guard. Matcha, don't worry, these are not bugs, it's lavender. It looks like bugs, right? Yeah. Okay.
bugs too.
Alright, bro. Goofy, Goofy, Wait, I'm cringing out.
Wait.
Here's our little comedian. Silly little boy. You look like these babies. And then the beautiful view. Wow. Mashallah, guys. Look. Oh my god. It looks way better in person.
I love the vibes and I love having fun and stuff, but it's just not in me. Like I just can't do it. I think it's just like the late night thing. What?
You're swinging without swinging.
Wait, let me film you.
Oh.
Wait. I'm gonna get a good shot. Hold on, wait.
From behind.
It's so cute.
I think the crack might be showing.
The crack.
Is the crack showing?
The crack. The crack. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You know that guy?
I was like,
how many daddies you got?
So yeah, about that.
Stop me.
Okay.
Okay.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Oh my god. It's here.
This is the best soup ever. I'm eating it now. I'm gonna eat it so much. Yeah. Gang.
And I got it too. It's like miso soup. Does it have mushroom?
It's not miso, it's like an onion soup.
It has mushrooms?
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm excited.
I want a vlog too.
Guys, we're at this, what is it called?
Beniehana.
Basically they make food right in front of you, like right here. And then it's like kind of like interesting and fun. So yeah. I'm excited.
No. We're at Beniehana. We made it. We're good. We made it. We good.
Made it.
We made it. And here's my soup. Stay.
Oh my god. Oh. What was it?
Here, okay, maybe you try it.
No.
You're the only one here that has a crack.
No, it's okay.
Come on.
Who's gonna do it? Do it.
I wouldn't know how to do it.
Just flip it. It's really easy. The weight does it itself.
Yay!
Alrighty, guys. Let's get started with this rice. The first thing we go down is to pour some oil. This right here, this is safflower oil, not sunflower oil. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, don't worry, because I don't know either, okay? Alright, we're just going to go ahead and spread that out. We're going to go ahead and turn the heat down a little bit. A little bit too hot.
You got chicken, right?
What?
You got chicken?
This is for the chicken fried rice. I don't know if we got chicken fried rice. I think we just got regular fried rice.
With the eggs, they always crack us. Okay, guys. This next part, we need to be very, very careful. You guys know why? It's really whiskey. It's really, really whiskey, guys. You don't want to get hurt.
Whiskey.
Down with a little bit more oil, so everything's going to stick here. Just like I made that egg up here, we're gonna make those shells disappear, okay? I know a lot of people like to call us an omelet, but tonight we're going to go ahead and call us a caterpillar. Anybody want to name our caterpillar? You want to name the caterpillar? Eggy. All right. Eggy. You guys want to learn some Japanese? You guys want to learn Japanese? So yeah? All right. You guys say sayonara? Sayonara. All right, so that means goodbye. Can you guys say sayonara to Eggy?
Pour whiskey. What? Pour whiskey.
Alright guys, it's the right in the eggs. Now you know the holidays did just pass, you gotta do it with family, right? We're gonna go ahead and have a nice little family reunion.
I missed out on so much because I was in the restroom. We got fried chicken rice and shrimp and vegetables. I got my steak. Did you get yours yet or not yet?
He's making mine.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and separate this onion layer by layer. Build ourselves a little beignehana here for you. We're gonna add some oil down here in the center. Grab our special ingredient, grab ourselves a ladder. You guys ready for a little fire?
Yes.
There you go, a little fire, a little fire. Alright guys, I'm gonna add the special ingredients right in the center on the count of three. I want you guys to say volcano, okay? 1, 2, and volcano! Back together because I gotta use the same one for my next table. And I gotta reuse, recycle, cut down on labor costs, right?